Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Walaikum assalam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I'm your new teacher, Sister Sundus, and I hope you will enjoy the entire class with me today, inshallah. So let's begin. I'm so excited that I'm here with the new lesson, that is lesson number 6. And if you will open your book Ahsanul Qawaid, you will find this lesson on page number 12. So page number 12 and lesson number 6 is all about Dhammah. In Indo-Pak version, we say Dhammah, Paish. But in the western part of the world, most of the people used to say Paish, Dhammah. So Dhammah and Paish is same thing. Okay, fold your mouth like you fold when you say oh. Okay, so it's not oh, but you have to say ooh, ooh, ooh. Okay, so say Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Ooh, yay, great. Boo, great. Don't make a jumpy sound. Two, very good. Next, take your tongue out and say thu, thu, ju. The next letter is throat letter, hu. Now the fat letter, hu. Great. Du. Take your tongue out, soft letter, zu, ru, zu, su, shu. Fat letter, su, su. Now fat letter, du. Fat letter, tu. Fat letter, vu. Next, throat letter. From the middle of your throat, we will say ain, ru, ru, fu, ku, ku, lu, mu, nu, vu. Now with your chest, take a deep breath. Hu, hu, hu. Then hamza, oo, oo. Then ya, you. There is dhammah on ya. Say you. Great. MashaAllah, tabarakallah. Please let me know if this lesson is helpful for you or not. Stay tuned. Till then, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.